San Diego County has slipped into the most restrictive purple tier as coronavirus cases are on the rise locally, which means that more restrictions are on the way for local businesses. And Fox 5 has team coverage on this major new development. Our Jamie Chambers spoke with restaurants in Escondido, but we begin with Fox 5's Jeff McAdam live in Kearny Mesa with a message from county leaders after today's announcement from the state. Jeff.
Hey Maria, yeah, for the past few months, we've tiptoed the line of dropping into the purple tier, but have managed to avoid it. This week, it wasn't even close. You can have a case rate of 7.0 or lower. This week, we have an 8.9 instead. That is why we are in the purple, and here's what it means for local businesses. We'll leave it up for a few seconds in case you want to take a picture with your phone. This is the list of businesses that'll be forced to make changes. Most notably, restaurants, gyms, and places of worship are now outside only. Barbershops, salons can be indoors with modifications. The schools that are already open for in-person classes can stay open. And these changes don't just happen overnight, not immediately. They go into place first thing Saturday morning at 12:01 a.m. So there's a 3-day transitional period. The virus numbers in the state have surged over the last 14 days. Hospitalizations up nearly 30%. Today we found out that these numbers probably don't even include people who got sick on Halloween night yet. We likely won't get those results back here until later this week. In order to get us out of the purple tier, we need to have 3 straight weeks with a rate below 7.1. And with Thanksgiving on the horizon, the state's lead health expert is concerned we may not get there anytime soon.
Household gatherings, private gatherings are higher risk. We tend to take our guard down. We think it's safe because we know the people. Even though we haven't seen them in some time, they're longer activities. Even when we start outdoors, we move part of it indoors. Those sort of actions we know increase risk. So we shine a bright light on those activities.
And county health experts tell us that they've reached out to law enforcement here in the county and the city and asked them to really enforce the mask wearing here moving forward. In fact, they're giving 40,000 masks to police officers to take out on beats. If they see somebody not wearing one, they're going to give them one. If the situation is egregious enough, if the person is a repeat offender, there could potentially be talking about citations, cease and desist orders for businesses. We're trying to take this seriously. We got to get that number down. And Maria, it's a big number to climb down from. 8.9 is where we're at. We need to get to 7.0, so we got our work cut out for us, not the news we wanted to hear today. Maria.
Certainly not. Jeff McAdam with that story for us. Well, 483 new cases of coronavirus were reported in San Diego today. That is a rise. So a 5% positive rate of the tests that were taken. 7 new deaths were reported, bringing the county's total to 915. And right now, 348 people are hospitalized with the virus, including 105 in the ICU. 5 new community outbreaks were also announced today. These were in a restaurant and bar, a business setting, a retail and a grocery setting, as well as in a school.